just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. Welcome back to the channel for another Bitcoin update. Bitcoin actually did an incredible thing in holding that golden pocket again. Remember, we were saying up here, these were all bearish candlesticks, and so I was anticipating us coming back down towards this golden pocket and for this to hold a support. I also did mention that you can come all the way back down to this green box. You've got these moving averages under over here that are signaling we should be putting in higher lows, because if we even come down to the deepest one down here at $21,721, that would still be higher than the bounce of this 200 EMA over here, 21,400 essentially. So even if we come back down to there, it would still be a higher low, and as long as we're above that wick, we still technically have the opportunity to reclaim this golden pocket and head higher. So I will get the fibs back on. It was from here to there, because what we were saying is that after this dip that lost this low, we're meant to just come back into this area as resistance right over here. You see how once it was wicks going up, signaling it was resistance, and then we got through, had a little fake out, flipped in support, continued up, lost it as support, and then continued lower, had a dip. So this should just flip back into resistance, where we were once holding as support and once was resistance. It should now be used as resistance since we lost the bottom basically. And so we ran into it and of course just pushed through. This is what we were anticipating on the channel. And then over here, again, this was just a consolidation phase, and then these were all bearish candlesticks because the wick rejection saying I was up there, don't like being up there, I'm coming back down. So I do teach this all. If you want, you can check out the links in the comment section. You can check the buy me a coffee section, or you can check the link tree. I'll put a little video in this video, or a little clip in this video to explain it all. To continue, we are holding it. This, if we were to close in 9.5 hours, would be a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. It would signal that we are now reversing after holding this as support for the continuation to 26k, 27.5, and 29k over here. So this is what we were basically saying even before we pushed through. We're saying the moment we push through this, it opens up 30k basically. And so as long as we remain above this golden pocket and this green box, we should continue up to there. So that's pretty much it for today's update. Unless you guys want me to go to 4 hour, I guess I can, because this would be a double bottom. So we can go to the 4 hour. We can draw some trend lines actually for those people that want to use trend lines. So you can see through the bodies there, we broke this uptrend, and then I watched the Crypto video yesterday. So not Crypto video. I saw his Twitter post, where he I think he said breakout, and he was getting trolled so much. But there you go. Because the breakout, and we held this low over here. You want your stop loss below this, and then we'd continue up back to the highs essentially. And this could be a falling wedge, just like that. That would signal a target back up to the high. But what I would do from the high to the low, have this golden pocket. Can you see how we've currently rejected that on the 4 hour time frame? So going forward, what I need to see is the 20 and the 55 crossover. We are still above the 200 on the 4 hour, so that's positive. We're above the 20 on the 4 hour. We've pushed above the 55 on the 4 hour. This is incredible, but we need Bitcoin to behave. You see what was once resistance, let's now use it as support. Okay, this is sort of downtrending as well. Can you see? So we could come, that's about where the 20 EMA would land. So where the 20 EMA is right now is 23.5k, and 23.5k is where we want to hold a support. All that matters is holding this low over here that I've just marked out. So this low is sitting at 22,765, which is the 0.5 fib level of that older golden pocket that we were talking about. That we were saying this is all a topping out phase, and we're coming back, resetting, hitting the moving average to reset. Look, the last time you came to the 200, yes, you faffed around down here. You went below, you went above, you went below, you went above. We eventually continued above these moving averages and went up. So that's what we're seeing right now. We held the 200. We didn't even actually faff around. We didn't play around and manipulate us and go below it. We're just holding a support, resetting this uptrend on the 4 hour time frame for continuation up. Again, guys, if you want me to teach you, just wait until the end of the video and I'll explain it. Or I might have already explained it. Apologies. But yeah, make sure you do like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, definitely do leave a comment for the algorithm, even if it's just an emoji or whatever it is. It does great. I do greatly appreciate it because I put the hours in for you guys. I appreciate if you do what's free. So I'll catch you guys in the next update. Make sure you're following my Twitter. It's all in the description and the comment section down below. You can find my link tree, and yeah, and everything's down there if you want to get into contact. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship, it goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.